Computer Chess Online is a program located at computerchessonline.net that allows you to learn the basics of chess while playing against a computer. When you start up the game, you start up right about here, and the game is located about halfway down. And the three difficulties, Advanced, Casual, and Beginner, should reflect how experienced you are with the game. I will say that as a beginner chess player, even playing the level beginner, I still had some difficulty checkmating the opponent, and got mated myself several times. You can also select which side you want to play, with the white triangle pointing towards the side you will play, and change it by clicking on it. When you select a difficulty, the game begins, and your clock begins to run. The only purpose of the clock is to demonstrate how long you've been thinking about moves. To select a piece, click on it, and it will show the legal actions that the piece can perform. To unselect, click again. To move, click a space. As I continue to play, note how on the right, a system or a table of moves is created in algebraic notation. To undo a move, click the Undo Move button, and it will take you to the previous moves, all the way back to the very beginning if you wish. To save a game, click the Save button, and then when you refresh the page, or when you come back later, it'll ask if you want to resume playing the previously saved game, or if you wish to begin a new one. You can also begin a new game and still load the other one. Here are a few situations you may find yourself in. In this situation, I can perform a kingside castle. The way I do this is by selecting the king and clicking the spot 2 spaces to the right. To perform a queenside castle, same thing, to the left. Notice how this is an illegal move. I cannot castle through check, so the options are not selected. Similarly, my other pieces are pinned at this time, except my knight, which can take the piece that is currently putting me in check. But I cannot select the bishop, even though it could make a move here. I cannot do that because I'm currently in check. So the only way to move is to get out of check. Here I'm currently in check, and the pawn cannot move because it is pinning another piece, or it is being pinned by another piece. It could take the bishop, but moving in any way other than getting my king out of its situation would be an illegal move. Here, notice that the king cannot take the knight, because doing so would put it in check. Other options on the right are the option to resign the game, some unavailable options, including this button, which takes you to a page where you can buy the full game, and a language option, and an about page.